Planning to do some travel but want to scale down your luggage? This Lapsouno travel backpack might be what you're looking for. Let me show you the pros and cons so you can make the choice. First, let's look at capacity. I'm using my husband's extra large clothing so you can see just how much we can fit in this. For reference, I have 7 days of spring, summer, fall clothing here and one very bulky sweatshirt. It fits easily with plenty of room left over for socks and underwear. This fits more than some of our littler suitcases and about the same as most of our carry-on luggage. Next, let's look at features. This backpack is loaded with all the things the best travel backpacks on the market have and a few extra ones that might be useful. I like that it opens top to bottom instead of side to side like most travel backpacks. It's a little more intuitive and a little easier if you have to grab something out of the big pocket. I also really like that the laptop pocket is located inside the clothing portion of the bag. Most travel backpacks have it in front where it's just less secure and cushioned. Here you've got clothing on one side and a very padded back and straps on the other. The inside includes clothing straps to keep everything tied down if you have to open it and grab something. It also has a built-in charging station where you can attach your portable charger and tuck it into this pocket and then charge your phone on the outside of the bag. The middle pocket offers all the regular backpack features, like places to put pens, pencils, and other supplies, as well as a roomy pocket. It includes another USB pass-through just in case you need to charge multiple devices, or if you want to keep your phone inside and have wired headphones attached. The front pocket gives you a place to put anything you may need easy access to while you travel, such as books, snacks, or medication. Last, let's talk about usability. I've tried a bunch of travel backpacks, and this is one of the most functional and usable. I love that the back is so padded and breathable. There's a nice extra pocket in the back that allows for quick access or just something soft to add to the lumbar support. This strap is also great if you want to slip it securely on top of rolling luggage. This has all the things I need when I travel. There are just a couple of downsides to this design though. First, the vertical zipper on the clothing section means this takes more space to open completely, as when it's open, it's more than 3 feet across. It's not a huge deal, but it could be an issue if you have to get all the way into it while in a car or another tight space. Second, when I'm reaching for my laptop, I have to be kind of careful not to open too far because the laptop strap isn't very snug and clothing could shift and fall out. And last, if this is packed to capacity, it's too wide to fit under seat in most planes. So if you're looking for a travel backpack you can use as a personal item, this probably isn't it. It's technically a little too wide for the overhead bin even, but as long as you don't have it stuffed to the brim, it should squeeze in just fine. It's one of the biggest benefits of backpacks over suitcases. Overall, I think this is a very nice, very practical backpack. I really like it, and I hope you like it too.